Hey guys, it's One Classy Sheep here. I am on Skyda's Minecraft server, skga.me, I believe. I'm going to be playing one of the mini games, the amazing mini games. It'll be in the title, but I haven't figured out what I'm playing yet. I can't play that because I'm not a man. I could, but you know. Well, I think I'll play Skylands PvP. Because it sounds interesting if it's up. It looks like people are playing. One more player? Okay. So I'm not quite sure how this works. I think I know the basic idea. So let's get started. I'm gonna open my chest. It looks like I got some pretty good gear. I wouldn't know because I haven't played this, but chicken, get all the crap. More lava buckets, TNT, yada yada yada. Okay, so I've got a bow. They probably have bows too. Did that person just commit suicide? Did you just... I'm lagging, I better not shoot this. No. No, I'm gonna die. No. I ought to watch out for behind there. Okay, I'm just gonna start swinging. Because I am lagging for no reason. I'm sorry I'm being a bit quiet. I mean... I don't like that person. You need to die, sir. Did that person die, or are they crouching? Okay, because my island is starting to fall. I think that's the game. When your island starts falling. I'm going to take this chest with me as an extra building precaution. And okay, it didn't disappear, good. I might need to store some stuff up here, just in case I get better items, so let's just pop that there, and put this raw chicken in there. No one wants raw chicken. I'm gonna keep that extra there. Wow, what a me. Like, what did I do? Hey, thank you for the arrows. I appreciate it. They're very nice arrows. Yeah, we're going to fall into oblivion soon. Crouch, jump, jump. Wow, this server is sort of laggy. What is this lag that day? It makes my thingy can't. Oh no, that's not. I'm so stupid sometimes. Okay, so plop that water down. They have armor, which is so. Oh, I couldn't get armor. I'm a blonde. You've got to remember. Okay, so it looks like I'm one of the last people left. I would be on it, but we have to fight to the death now. This person and me, we have to fight to the death. And they're shooting an arrow at me, like... That is not the way to make friends. No. You are not making friends. I had wood. One of those days. What's up there? Okay. I better not be stuck up on. I would hate that. Okay. Therefore, hat. Are you going to come over here anytime soon, too? I think that person will be AFK. Oh, I think they were. Well, I won. Yay! Yay! I wonder if that's in my, if that's like a score that I won. Well, let's play TNT Run. You know, I'm just like going to upload this no matter what. So yeah, player left. I'm left out. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Person. Okay, I believe the way this works is you don't ball, I guess. Oh gosh darn it, and now I'm running. Oh my god, I suck at this. I can't get running! Sad face. No, you're gonna die too. You're gonna die with me. Someone already died. I mean, not that I'm doing that much better, but... See, I'm not doing that much better. Leave. Okay, so I'm gonna try to... I'm gonna do 3 today. Lobby, pigmen, something on each other. Okay, Assassin's Creed. I haven't played this, so I'm going to have to pick it up as I go. I want to be on the next match on AC World 4. Choose a Royal Navy character. Musket, nimble, very quick armor. Okay, I'm gonna beat this one. There's a true mode, want to be. What's this got on it? Sharpness, not bad. No one is going past me. I wonder where the assassin is. I'm guessing I'm not allowed to be killed by the assassin. No full damage. Okay, so I'm so quiet, guys. I'm just trying to figure out this game. Your mama pwned. Worker gamer. Walker gamer, so. I don't see the assassin yet. Look at me, I'm beautiful. Look at me. This guy's pretty close to front. How am I supposed to kill this? Can I connect from the lighter?